We will need an orange. Orange is an ideal for weight loss. It is also good for our skin. It prevents acne, brightens the skin, and controls aging. Peel and cut into pieces. Please subscribe to my channel. Transfer into a bowl. We will need a carrot. Carrot is popular vegetable for weight loss. This brightens the skin, prevents the formation of wrinkles, and make your skin glow. Transfer into a bowl. "30 grams of ginger. Peel and cut into slices. Ginger has proven to be excellent for digestion. It speeds up metabolism and promote weight loss. Take a blender and put all the ingredients. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 300 milliliters of water. Make a puree of all ingredients. You can drink this drink as a breakfast. You can filter it if you want. This is pure natural remedy. There is no side effects, but if you are allergic any of these ingredients, then you can avoid it.